Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to create pictures or paintings, whatever you want to call them, on Roblox for Bloxburg. And I will also be telling you guys how to make shirts on Roblox. Make sure you subscribe.
1, 2, 3, funky.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
So when I make my pictures, I use my Mac, and I'm not sure if it worked on any other computer, and I'm really sorry if it doesn't. So once you go into Roblox, hit the create button at the top right corner. Then on the left, you hit decals. So before we continue, you go onto your phone and create a picture that you would like. Preferably, I use Fonto, which is an app that I make my pictures on, or you can use any other app that you would like. You can add text or anything else that you would like, but I already made my picture, so I'm just going to continue. Feel free to pause the video and go do that. Once you have the picture from your phone, just airdrop it to your computer, but if you can't airdrop it, just send it. Then you're going to save it to your computer. After that, you click choose file, and then you choose the picture from your files. So I didn't save mine to my files, but I saved it to my downloads, and so I'm going to drag and drop the picture and then put it on choose file. After you choose the file, you can change its name. Then you're going to click on the decal. So once you're there, you're going to look in the search bar, and you should see a few numbers up there, and that will be your code. So once you see this number, just copy it. Then you're going to head into Bloxburg. So after you're in Bloxburg, you're going to go into your house or wherever you have the photo, and you go to the photo and then you click change picture. Then you go to enter image ID. Now you can paste the code that we copied before. And there's your image. Now I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the shirts, but sadly you can only make shirts with premium. So you're going to click on create, and then I'm going on to group creations. Then you're going to click on shirts. So once it loads, why isn't it loading? Okay, so you click on download here, and then there you got basically the image, and then you copy the URL, and then you add a new tab, and you go to Pixlr, Pixlr.com. That one. Make sure you go on to Advanced Pixlr E. Now on the left, you click on load URL, and then it'll take you to the page with the template and a bunch of different buttons. I'm going to click the little plus on the right and click on blank. Then you're going to take one of your pictures, and then you're going to put the picture onto the template. And so what you do is you drag it onto the template. Then you click add to current, and then it'll be really big, but that's okay because we'll just make it smaller. And so you just drag the little blue squares to make it smaller. And then now you move it so it's out of the way of everything. Whatever you put there is going to be what's on your shirt. On the left, you'll see that little box with dots and stuff, and you'll click on that. So this is what a crop top looks like. And so make sure you have the top there and stuff. So, and then if you want a belly shirt, you do it like this. If you want a long sleeve shirt, you just do the full thing. So I'm just doing my little crop top shirt. You can make it any length you want, really. And you're going to look on your left and see that little mouse, and then you click on that, and then you click on the inside of the box. Now, if you look to the left, you see those little circles with colors inside of them. So you click on that, then you click on the photo area where you want the color of the shirt to be. Now on the left, you're going to click the paint box, and then you click the inside of the rectangle that we just made. Now that rectangle should be painted that color. So we're going to make the sleeves now, and so right now I'm just moving the picture up so I can see the sleeves better. So now we're going to make the sleeves. So we use the box on the left again, and so right here is short sleeve shirts, and then this is off the shoulder, so you have the top and the bottom open, and you just have sleeves there. And then this is a long sleeve shirt, but make sure with all these you never cover the D at the bottom because you don't want your hands to be with clothes. So now I'm going to make my size, which is short sleeves, and then I'm going to go to the mouse and click on the box, and then I'm going to the paint bucket and clicking on that so it gets all the color in it so my sleeves are colored. Next, you're going to move the picture and like change the size. You can make it smaller, bigger, whatever size you want, but make sure it doesn't go out of the outline that you did. And then after that, we will check what placement it is in. Okay, so now we're going to check where it is at. So we go to the background layer, and then we're going to go on the left to that little wand with sparkles, and you click on basically the white part of the background, and then you'll see the outline of the body. So that line that I'm pointing to right there is my neck, so that's not good because the words are on my neck. So now I just have to go back and move the picture down so it's perfect. Now I'm going to check the size again, so I go back to the background and click the white, and then see there I need to move it up a little bit more, and I'm pretty sure once I move it up a little it should be perfect. So I'm just going to quickly move this up. I think that's good. Now we will check it one last time unless we need to do it again, and see how that's in the middle. That is perfect. So I like that just how it is. So now we're going to make the neck. So you click on the box again, but at the top you click on that circle thing. And then, so now we're going to make a neck. It'll take you a while to get it perfect, but it's kind of like an oval shaped. It's kind of like a circle, but make sure it's above where the line was before. On the left, after you made your oval, you go click the pen, and then you click the inside of the circle. Then you're going to go to the eraser on the left, and then basically fill the inside in. It might take you a second, but make sure you're on the slide of the shirt, and then you're going to erase the inside of it. After your shirt is done, you go to the background slide and you check everything, and you see how the neck is basically aligned. That's how you want it, and that's perfect. Click the lock on the right a few times, and then you click that little box by the check mark right there. And then you're going to click the little trash can and delete the layer. So now you should just have those areas, and then the background should be black and checkered and stuff like that. So then you're going to click File, and then you click Download, but make sure it's on PNG, and then it should be on the bottom of your screen. Then you're going to go back to the Roblox tab, and then drag the little image that you just saved, and then drag it to Choose File. Make sure it's blue when you put it there. Then when you're done, you're going to change the name to whatever you want. You click download, and then you have to verify yourself because, you know, we're not robots. Say the shirt was successfully created, and then it should show up there. So then you can click on that, and the picture won't be there because it's not like Roblox didn't approve it yet. So then you click try on, and it'll take a pretty long time for it to load because you just did it. And then if Roblox didn't see it, it should look like it's not on you, which is really funny because it looks like you do not have a shirt on. You're going to press configure on the 3 dots, and then once you're there, you're going to go on the left to sales, and then you can click item for sale, and then you can choose how many Robux you want it to be. Roblox does get 20% of your sale, so if you make it $8 like this one, you only earn 6 of them. That then directly goes to your Robux. Picture will take a while for it to load, but you just have to be patient with that. So right here is the final look after mine was loaded, and it is really cute, and you guys should go buy it. If you guys want it, you can go on to my group, which is called Chinchillas with an exclamation point. Definitely go join that and go get my shirts so you can help my YouTube channel. So the shirt picture still isn't there, but then it will show up like it just did. And then there are the 2 shirts I have so far, but I will be coming up with more. I know this video is pretty long, but it's not over yet. Now I'm going to be showing you guys a bunch of codes for some cute pictures that you can put in Bloxburg. Enjoy! helped you, and if you made it to the end, since this was a very long video, comment down below. Make sure to go join my Roblox group called Chinchillas with an exclamation point and buy my merch. Thanks for watching. Bye!
My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.